Hi friends, this is another video on anxiety. In first video I had suggested you to have pink salt and jaggery in your mouth whenever you feel like nervous or feel like you are getting panic attack. So in this video I am going to explain 3 breathing techniques with which you will calm down your body, you will relax your mind, and the rush of thoughts which are attacking, they will go away, they will disappear, because your focus will be somewhere else, that is on breathing. So very smartly we will handle this anxiety, and once when you will handle it, next time you will say, you just come, I will kick you off. So let us start with first breathing technique. It is very simple. Every time you have to inhale till your belly and exhale from your nose. Deep inhale and deep exhale. 10 times you have to do, and every count you will count. I will not count. You have to focus on every inhale and exhale. So whenever you start your inhalation, you will count 1, and then next inhalation count 2. So exhale should be longer than inhalation. I will perform this. You also perform with me, but you count your inhalation and exhalation. Continue doing, friends. Very nice. With every inhale you can say I am relaxed. With every exhale again you can repeat I am relaxed. I am relaxed 1. I am relaxed 2. Like this you can count. Now another breathing technique number 2 I am going to explain you. That is like you have to inhale from your nose and exhale from your mouth. Inhale from your nose and exhale from your mouth. Let us start. Every time you can repeat any of your affirmation which you wish to repeat. Either I am relaxed, I am calm, I am fine, I am happy, whatever. Let us start. From nose inhale and from mouth exhale. Last bubble till the end, last bubble of the breath, last point of the breath, that also should come out. The more you are focusing on exhalation, more you are relaxing. Okay. Very good, friends. I have finished my 10 counts. This is bringing you on lower pace. It is relaxing you. Gradually you are coming on the balance mode. Your Surya Nadi is calming down. your Chandra Nadi is activating. When you exhale, your Chandra Nadi is activating. This time what you all need is to activate your Chandra Nadi, which will relax you mentally. Now third breathing technique, which is very interesting, again to cool down your Surya Nadi and to activate your Chandra Nadi. This is very fine. You will get relaxation. Just see, from mouth you have to inhale, and from mouth itself you have to exhale. Initially from nose you had inhaled and from mouth you had exhaled. Now from mouth itself you are inhaling and from mouth itself you are exhaling. I'll give you 2 sessions. Just see how I'm doing. Very good. Till last bubble of the air you have to exhale. Action is equal to relaxation. You were in action mode, now you are relaxing your body. Very smartly. You have become very smart, my child. Okay, now let us start it. Inhale from mouth. 10 count करेंगे. Sorry, inhale from mouth. So friends, I have finished my 10 rounds. So you will enjoy doing it so much that you will forget that when you finish your 10 rounds, you will do more and more. And any of this breathing technique, if you have short of time, suppose you are appearing for the exam or interview, you can practice any of one technique also, which will relax you and your mind will be active and physical body will be relaxed. Thank you very much, friends. Win over all your problems, worries or weaknesses with breathing techniques. This is the best God's gift. Thank you. Enjoy and celebrate your life. It's one-time game. Thank you.